Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex medical tests into easy-to-understand information. Today, we're diving into the CD4 test in immunohistochemistry. Let's get started. Pre-test information. First, let's talk about the pre-test information. Before undergoing the CD4 test, it's essential to provide the following: a copy of the histopathology report, the site of the biopsy, the patient's clinical history. This information helps the pathologist accurately interpret the test results. Specification of the test. The CD4 test is a type of immunohistochemical stain. This technique involves using antibodies to detect the presence of specific proteins in tissue samples. In this case, the antibody targets the CD4 protein, which is found on the surface of certain immune cells. Disease-associated. The CD4 test is particularly useful in diagnosing T-cell lymphomas, including mycosis fungoides. It's also employed to support the identification of T-cell or histiocytic lineage in various hematolymphoid neoplasms. Specimen used. For the CD4 test, a tissue specimen from the biopsy is required. This sample is then processed and prepared on slides for staining and examination under a microscope. Components include: the test involves several key components. Primary antibody. This binds specifically to the CD4 protein. Secondary antibody. This binds to the primary antibody and often carries a marker for visualization. Chromogen. This reacts with the marker to produce a visible signal, highlighting the presence of CD4 proteins. Control samples. These are used to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the staining process. Now, let's talk about the test report time. Test report time. Typically, the results for the CD4 test are available within 7 days. This period allows for thorough processing, staining, and evaluation of the tissue sample. Finally, let's summarize the importance of the CD4 test in immunohistochemistry. Test information. CD4 is a crucial marker in diagnosing T-cell lymphomas, such as mycosis fungoides. It helps pathologists confirm the T-cell or histiocytic origin of hematolymphoid neoplasms, providing vital information for accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. That's a wrap on our overview of the CD4 test in immunohistochemistry. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into medical tests. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.